Welcome back to Rhampton Studios. Thanks for watching. So I managed to get a second-hand Yuneec Typhoon H aerial photography drone. We're going to do a quick open box video and go outside and take some video footage. So we hope you enjoy the video. This is the aluminum case made by Hull, and it's form-fitted to fit the Typhoon H. Okay, and now for the main event, the Yuneec Typhoon H. So now, this isn't a review video because there's a lot of videos on YouTube already explaining the features. This is just simply an open box video, and we're going to take it outside and record some video footage. So let's take this bad boy out of here very carefully. Here we go. Alright, let's put it up here. And there it is. Looks like a little robot. So this is my first aerial photography drone with GPS. For the past couple of years, I've just been flying tricopters and you know, some drones every now and then. I got a Dual Sky Hornet 460, no GPS. I use my Spectrum DX7 to fly, and neither does this have a GPS. It has a KK2 board, and I just fly manually in the park. And I also have my 600 size Hughes MD500 heli. It's electric and really fun to fly. Very, very sturdy in the sky. But this is my first aerial photography drone. And I understand this has a very nice high quality camera. They call it the Yuneec Typhoon H 4K. Alright guys, so there's a quick open box video. Let's go ahead and take it outside, do some video footage and some photos. Alright guys, we're here at the park now. I'm getting ready to fly my Yuneec Typhoon H. I'm really curious and anxious to see how this 4K camera performs in the park. Without further ado, let's get to it, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.